Magical Lahni. Once upon a time, there lived a girl in a small village named Noor. Noor was very cute and smart, but she felt a little sad because she had no friends. One day, while she was picking flowers in the forest, her eyes fell on a strange, shining stick. The stick was thin, but a small light was shining on its end like a star. Noor picked up the stick and thought, "How strange and beautiful this is." As soon as it touched our hands, a sweet voice said, "Noor, now you are my friend. I am a magical Lahni, and I want to see a new journey with you." Noor went, but her heart was saying that this Lahni was not complete. "Usne pucha, who can you help me with?" Lahni said, "I can hear your every prayer. Remember to write. Use my magical power to save the world." After our day, Noor and Lahni became friends. Noor started helping the people of her village with Lahni's help. Whether someone had a problem with water, someone with a problem with Faslan, Noor would make Lahni's magical conditions poor for everyone. But in return for every job, Lahni would teach one thing: to be grateful and to help others. One day, a big storm hit the village. People's houses were falling and crops were being ruined. Noor said to Lahni, "Shall we stop the storm?" Lahni said, "Sarf, if you promise to work together with the villagers, because teamwork is the solution to every problem." Noor gathered all the people of the village in one place and everyone started working together. With Lahni's magical power and the villagers working together, the storm stopped and the village became happy. After that, Noor not only found surf friends, but also gained everyone's respect and love. Lahni thanked him and said, "You don't need me anymore, Noor. You are a magical-hearted Larky yourself." And Lahni disappeared into the air with a glow. Moral: with perseverance and teamwork, any difficult situation can be overcome.